Hey guys, so I'm going to talk you through changing the timestamp on NTP server on your Wi-Fi Pro 2. You only need to ever do this whenever the time shows that it's 2014 and it's wrong up here. It can potentially stop push notifications and other things. So yeah, I'm just going to talk you through how to do it. So we press the settings button up here, and then we press the little clock, second row, last icon. And we select our intercom, and here we can see that the time sets for Cape Verde. So obviously I need to change that to my own, so I'm going to change that to Greenwich Mean Time. I'm going to select the wee tick here for daylight saving, and I'm going to select the server, the European server. Just hit the wee check, then hit the back. Now to make them changes take effect, we need to actually reboot the system, and to do that we hit the little power icon just down here. We select our intercom. You may get this message here, just hit OK, and the intercom actually will reboot, and it can take 1 minute to do so. Whenever the unit comes back online, we just want to hit the settings menu, settings icon to open the settings menu. Then we want to hit the little clock again just to make sure that the changes took effect for us. We just want to select our intercom. It shows there that clearly all the changes that we made have taken place. So we just go back to the home screen, we open up our camera, and we can see now that date and time is correct.